Three.
Hello and welcome to Ms. Wilson's Online Learning. Today we're going to be talking about thinking maps, and we're going to be starting off with one of the most simple thinking maps, a circle map. So our topic is a circle map. The purpose of a circle map is to define in context, and really the reason why we use it is to help us with pre-writing and brainstorming. So here's just a schematic of what a circle map looks like. Okay, you've got a small circle on the inside, which is your main topic. And then on the outside, you have a bigger circle that goes around it. That's where you put all of the details. And then around it is a frame, and we call this your frame of reference because any other information that might influence what goes inside the circle goes on the outside. So if you're talking about yourself and maybe you put your name in the center, so I might put Miss Wilson, all the other details that would influence what makes Miss Wilson would go on the outside. So it could be family, friends, school, so on and so forth. So let's talk about an example. Okay. Alright, so here's an example that I did about my summer vacation. Okay, I could have done it about myself, but I decided to do my summer vacation. So in the center of the circle is my summer vacation, it's the topic, and then the outside of the bigger circle, or on the inside of the bigger circle, are all the things that happened during my summer. So I worked at a summer camp, I was a nature specialist, I did a lot of science experiments, there were songs, dress-up days, I also went to the Sequoia National Forest, it was my birthday over the summer, unfortunately my dog passed away, so I put that in there. I also started a new school and got my classroom ready for the new year, and so on and so forth. And on the outside, I have all the things that influenced what I did over the summer. So my family maybe influenced what I did during my birthday and on my trips. My friends also influenced some of my choices here. My job, because I had the summer off, I was able to do one of the things that I love very much, which is working at a summer camp. And having that free time allowed me to be able to go and do all these fun things. Okay? So this is the basics of a circle map, and from there we might help to categorize these to help us later on to start writing. So I can look through my circle map and find some items that have some things in common. So one of the first things would be things that relate to work and fun, because I consider those things the same in terms of my summer, because when I was working over the summer it related to having fun. So summer camp, nature, science experiments, songs, being silly, dress-up days, all of those relate to work and fun because it all centered around summer camp. Okay? Another one would be, and see how I'm color coding this? Another one would be vacation, okay? Or trips, okay? And so I'm going to find all the information that relates to what I did on vacations or trips that I went on. So I went to the Sequoia National Forest, so I'm going to put an underline in that one. And I also went to Solvang. Okay, so those are two things that I did on trips over the summer. And then the last thing that I can categorize are all things that might have been special. So maybe special things that happened over the summer. So I'm going to call that special events. Okay, so certainly my birthday was one, even though it was very sad, but it was something that happened over the summer that was significant. So my dog passing away, and then starting a new school and classroom. Okay, so the next step now is for you to try a circle map on your own. You can either do it just like how I did mine, with your topic being summer vacation, or put your name in the center and on the inside of your bigger circle, put all the things that represent you. And next time we're going to talk about taking that information and applying it or organizing it so that we can get ready for writing. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.